Hello, friends. Good morning. Love you all. This is Davanam, highly positivity enhancing herb. When you extract a half liter of coconut oil, this amount of herb handful will be more sufficient to extract using double boiling method. That is, when you put the leaves defoliated in coconut oil in a small pan, in another pan water bath is kept and you let it. Now for doing that I didn't have time, so I thought of letting you the positivity of this herb. And this is an antiviral herb. This also cures cough, cold, and also for a PCOD problem. And this aroma is highly mesmerizing, that your stress is relieved, and it wafts for a long distance